How to drive external traffic to your Amazon listing. Want to get more eyes on your Amazon products without relying solely on Amazon search traffic? Let's go through the best ways to drive external traffic to your listings and even get rewarded for it. First, grab your product's Amazon URL or your storefront link. Note this is the link you'll use in all your promotions. Share your link on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or Pinterest. Use engaging posts, short videos, or stories showing your products in action. The more shareable your content, the more organic clicks you'll get. So if you have your own site, feature your Amazon products in articles, product roundups, or even a dedicated shop page. This builds long-term visibility because blog posts can keep generating clicks for months or years. Or you can send it through email newsletters. Send the link directly to your subscribers. Pair it with special announcements, tutorials, or seasonal offers to encourage clicks. Last but not the least, you can also run paid ads. You can run Google ads or YouTube ads targeting the exact audience that's likely to buy. The great thing here is that you control the audience targeting and budget. You can also use Amazon's brand referral bonus for brand registered sellers. If you're brand registered, Amazon will actually give you up to 10% back on sales you bring from outside traffic. Now here's how. Just go to Brands and click on Amazon Attribution inside Seller Central. Create a tracking link for your product and use that link in your external ads or campaigns. Every sale you generate through that link could earn you a bonus. Now all of that was great, but don't forget to track your results. You can monitor campaign performance using Amazon Attribution or UTM tracking. UTM tracking is a little bit of code added to the end of your link, something that looks like this. It's a powerful tool because it lets you see exactly where your clicks and sales come from, whether it was Facebook, Google, an email, or somewhere else. Driving external traffic is a powerful way to boost sales and even improve your Amazon rankings. But finding the right products to promote in the first place can take a lot of trial and error, unless you have a proven system. Now that's where the OA Challenge comes in. It's the easiest way to master online arbitrage step by step so you can start sourcing and selling faster and better. Check out the link in the description below and try it out now.